Welcome to Tool Tuesday. So,
Definitely.
we needed a tool. So, I need to pull vacuum on my air conditioner on my big truck here and recharge the AC system. So, I ordered a little vacuum pump off of Amazon. It's Orion Motor Tech. That's what it says. So, we're going to unbox this dude, and I've already opened it. I'm sorry, but
we hadn't used it yet, so we can give you a review on it later.
Yeah. So we got vacuum pump with manifold gauge set. User manual. It come with I got a little nifty carrying case to put everything in. That's cool. Plastic box.
I guess that's all your gauges.
That should be our gauges and oh Lord.
Kit pretty reasonable.
What'd it cost? I think it was like $200. No, $139.
It's not terrible. I mean, it's up there a little bit on price range, but it's not terrible.
Yeah. So it's got all of our hoses in it, our gauge.
Come with a leak detector.
A leak detector with it.
That's kind of interesting. That's cool.
Can taps. Okay.
And a cord.
And of course, a little vacuum pump. It's a 4 CFM. It's a little guy, but for what we need it for, it should work.
Right.
Stage 4, 4 CFM single stage vacuum pump. Half a horsepower. No, third horsepower.
Pretty cool, man.
Yeah, so
for doing AC work, that would come in handy.
Yeah, for around the house anyhow.
Gauges, leak detector.
Oil for the pump.
Oil, vacuum pump oil. Yeah.
For $139, I believe.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
So.
And we are not sponsored by Amazon or any of this, unfortunately, yet.
So we're gonna give it a shot, try it out, and we'll be back with you guys in a little bit and see, give you a review on it.
Yeah.
Tell you how it works.
Make a little short video on it, 5-10 minutes maybe.
Cool. Definitely.
All right. Welcome to Tool Tuesday. All right, y'all. So I guess we're gonna make a whole video on hooking this thing up for the first time. So when you get it out of the box, of course, you're gonna have to put the oil in it.
Yeah.
Comes with it.
It's childproof.
It's childproof.
Thought I was kidding. It's childproof.
So fill her up with the oil on the back of on the vacuum pump window. It's got a max and a min. All right, so on my truck, your low pressure's on the dryer. Right here. It's off. The high pressure's right here, so we're going to take our blue one. It's closed. Well, if it get on there, it's going to be. All right, Dino got that one on. Now our high side's right here in front of the, right here in front of the air filter.
That'd be our red one here. So.
And luckily, they only fit on what side they fit on.
Yeah, they are different sizes. Probably should have.
I need a cap for that, I guess.
Check that back one just to make sure, if you don't mind checking behind me on that.
That one's good. That one's good.
All right. And this goes to the compressor.
It goes to that.
Sorry, the vacuum pump.
Let's see what happens. Also,
the truck had AC leak, didn't it?
Yeah, it must have did because it didn't have nothing in it.
Right. So you're supposed to open this valve here and then turn this pump on.
I think.
It's supposed to pull in
all the way open?
Yeah. It's close to all the way.
I need to do that.
Oh, there it goes.
So now we're going to let it pull for 20, 30 minutes or so. And right now we're at a negative, if I can get it in there. We're waiting on that thing to get to negative 30 there. And hold. So now we wait. Got the little pump just to get in it. All right, we'll tune back in when this gets done here in a little bit. All right, y'all. So we've had a vacuum pull that's been on -30 for an hour or better. We got our little can. It comes with a can tap. Unscrew it all the way, open. Put your can on here. The guy on the internet, he put a can in first before he.
It's got a vacuum port on the system, so might as well be able to utilize that. Puncture that, I guess, and open the valve, right?
I guess you open this, and it's going to have a little bit of air in it, so we got to dump the air first here.
Oh, okay, my bad.
So I guess we. All right. All right. Yep. So that's that.
And now open it up.
And we're going to open this up and ease that one open. And you can see right here in this window, you can see the fluid.
Right.
We're leaking somewhere. Take it down or leave that laying wherever.
Yeah, I was just holding this up. That's your free on there.
So now we're gonna put some cans in here, and
looks like we're gonna do it in the rain too.
yeah, it's raining out here, and we're not gonna put our truck in the shop.
No, what's the point of having the shop there, huh? Filled it up, didn't it?
It's getting there. You still see the liquid in there.
So as of now, we hadn't had any issues with those tools at all. Huh?
No, everything's been good with them. I mean, I'm fairly happy.
Good review so far, yeah.
Other than the rain, that's kind of not making me happy, but I'll live.
Well, it poured it all the way in, didn't it?
All right, close that.
Well, yeah, it's closed.
I don't think this can's empty.
Them gauges even work in a storm. We got a storm going on out here. Kind of crazy looking.
Yep,
not to be distracted.
Empty.
Yeah, that one's empty.
So we got to talk about this. This is on the internet. They said these don't work.
Well, the camera's on. Talk about it. Right? Yeah.
All right. Well,
the camera's on. I'm pretty sure it's on.
So on the internet, there was talks about the can tap that comes with it not working good. It wouldn't grab the cans or whatnot, and that is true. So you may want to go to Harbor Freight and buy one of theirs for $7.99.
I don't have any complaints with the kit. That's a nice kit. It's nice setup.
Yeah,
big AC at home. I mean,
for home use, it's awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
It might not be enough for a full shop.
No. But I can see that. You probably need bigger, better equipment for that.
Yeah.
But, I mean, for a home, you could do your AC in your house, your car.
Yeah.
I think the kit's well worth the money spent.
Yeah. Under $200, I mean, you can't beat it.
That'd be my deal on that, because it costs you that to get it fixed in the shop.
It costs you that probably just to evacuate it.
And labor.
Well, no, that goes to that. I don't know.
All right, anyway, yeah.
We'll do that.